enzymes. In this chapter, we are discussing about the enzymes, classification of the enzymes, and some enzymes detailing we are going to discuss, like peptide, pepsin, streptokinase, etc. Enzymes used as drugs since ancient times, and many of them were available before the development of biotechnology. It is used as therapeutic agent isolated from plant and animal sources as well as from microorganisms. Microorganisms have become increasingly important as producers of industrial enzymes, and in fact most enzymes used in industry today are of microbial origin. Microorganisms are attractive as enzyme sources because of their biochemical diversity and the ease with which enzyme concentration may be increased by environmental and genetic manipulations. Genetic engineering and recombinant DNA technologies have been widely applied to produce abnormal amount of enzyme inherent in microorganisms as well as to synthesize foreign proteins derived from the animal cells. These proteins as well as enzymes used as drugs fit into many therapeutic categories. Among that, some of them we are going to discuss. Many proteins, uh, some of them we are going to discuss. Enzymes. Enzymes are the organic catalyst or biological catalyst produced by living organisms. It play vital role in the function of cells and activities of an organisms. It increase the rate of chemical reactions. They make possible the many complex chemical reactions that make up life processes. Although produced by living organisms, enzymes are lifeless. When isolated, they still exert their characteristics catalytic effect. General properties of enzymes. Enzymes, these are colloids and are soluble in water and dilute alcohol, but are precipitated by concentrated alcohol. Most enzymes act best at a temperature between 35 to 40 degrees centigrade. The temperature above 65 degrees centigrade, especially in the presence of moisture, usually completely destroy them, whereas the reactivity is negligible at 0 degrees centigrade. It means it beyond 65 degree centigrade get denaturated. Certain heavy metals, formaldehydes and free iodine retard the enzyme activity. Their activity is markedly affected by the pH of the medium in which they act or by the presence of other substances in this medium. They are highly selective in their action. and only a specific range of reactions, and in many cases only one reaction is catalyzed by a given enzyme. Some of them have low degree of degree of specificity like pepsin, which hydrolyzes almost all soluble native proteins. Hence, specificity is one of the most important characters. The enzymes are proteins that range in molecular weight from about 13,000 to as much as 8,40,000 Dalton. Minute quantities of enzymes are required to complete a chemical reaction. They are exceptionally versatile catalysts. They effectively catalyze hydrolytic reactions, dehydrations, oxidation reactions, acyl transfer reactions, aldol condensations, polymerizations, and free radical reactions. They are exceedingly efficient under optimal conditions. Most of the enzymatic reactions proceed 8 to 10 times more rapidly than the corresponding non-enzymatic reactions. Chemical nature of enzymes. Many enzymes are inactive when first produced. Such enzymes in inactive form are called proenzymes or zymogens. They are inactive because the active site is not exposed and unable to bind with substrate. Later, by the action of essential coenzymes or activator, they made active. Enzymes often occur in combination with inorganic and organic substances that have an important part in the catalytic action. Already we discussed enzymes act as biological catalysts. If these are non-protein organic compounds known as coenzymes. If they are inorganic ions, they are referred as activator. Coenzymes are integral part of enzyme system. Several vitamins, thiamine hydrochloride, riboflavin, nicotinic acid are recognized as having a coenzymatic function. Both are both are collectively called as cofactors. The cofactors bound to the protein part of enzyme tightly. In this case, cofactor is termed as prosthetic cofactor or prosthetic group. In globular structure of enzymes, one or more polypeptide chains twist and fold, bring together a small number of amino acids to form active site. Active site is that location on the enzyme where the substrate binds. Enzyme and substrate fails to bind if their shape does not match exactly. Classification of enzymes. There are several methods for the classification of enzymes. Few are given below. 1. Classification on the basis of the reaction they control. Next, classification on the basis of the site of action. Classification on the nature of the substrate. Classification on the basis of reaction they control. Mainly 6 major classes: 1. Oxidoreductases, transferases, hydrolases, lyases, isomerases, ligases. Oxidoreductases, which catalyze the oxidation reduction reaction between the two substances. Example: peroxidase glucose 6 phosphate. Next, transferases catalyzing a transfer of group other than hydrogen between a pair of substrates. Example, transmethylase, transaminase. Hydrolysis, catalyzing hydrolysis of esters, ether, peptide, glycoside, acid anhydride. Example, carbohydrases, lipases, proteinases. Lyases, catalyzing removal of groups from substrates by mechanisms other than hydrolysis, leaving double bond. Example, fumarase. Isomerases, catalyzing interconversion of optic, geometric or positional isomers. Example, G6 phosphate isomerase. Ligases, catalyzing linkage of two compounds coupled to the breaking of pyrophosphate bond in ATP or a similar compound. Example, acetyl-CoA carboxylase. Because the nomenclature of enzymes was rather well established prior to the promulgation of the system, the well-known tribal names are still orderly employed in the pharmaceutical literature. Those encounter with some frequency are esterases, including the esterases which including the lipase, phospholipidase, acetylcholinesterase and others. Carbohydrates including diastase, lactase, maltase, invertase, cellulase, isoenzymes, etc. Nucleases including ribonuclease, desoxyribonuclease, nucleophosphatase, etc. Nucleic deaminases including adenase, adenosine deaminase, etc. Amidases including arginase, urease, etc. Then proteolytic enzymes. This only it is very important we are going to discuss, which includes pepsin, trypsin, chymotrypsin, peptide, fibrinolysin, streptokinase, urokinase, etc. Classification on the basis of site of action. In this classification, it is classified into two groups. One is endoenzymes. These enzymes act only inside the cell, so it is called as endoenzymes or intracellular enzymes. These involve in the synthesis of cell components, food reserves, and bioenergetic, that is, liberation of energy from foodstuffs. Since these processes are intracellular, enzymes involved are also intracellular. Example, synthetases, isomerases, and phosphorylases. Exoenzyme. These act outside the cell and called extracellular enzyme or exoenzymes. This function is to facilitate the digestion. That is, break down complex molecule into small units. They hydrolyze very complex molecules into similar compounds. Example, proteases, lipases, amylases. Classification on the basis of nature of substrate. It is the amylolytic enzyme are carbohydrates, diastase and amylase. Term applied to well-known amylolytic enzymes, salivary diastase or tyline and pancreatic diastase or amylopepsin are found in digestive tract of animals. Malt diastase, it is formed during the germination of barley grains and converts starch into lactose. Invertase or sucrase, found in yeast and intestinal juices. It brings hydrolysis of sucrose into glucose and fructose. Maltase cause conversion of maltose into glucose. Zymase fermentation enzyme cause conversion of monosaccharides into alcohol and carbon dioxide. The esterases, lipase, it is lipolytic enzyme widely distributed in animal and vegetable kingdoms, found in pancreatic juice of animals and oil seeds. Pectase splits pectin into pectic acid and methyl alcohol. Strepsid, it is lipolytic enzyme capable of methyl alcohol. Urease obtained from soybeans and used in laboratory reagent for converting urea to ammonia. And the proteolytic enzymes, this only we are going to discuss mainly. These which include pepsid. It is a proteolytic enzyme found in the gastric juice and active at pH 1.8. Trypsin, it is formed when the pro enzyme trypsinogen is acted on by the heterokinase of the industrial juice. It is more active than pepsin and converting proteases and peptones into polypeptides and amino acids. It is active at pH 8. Erepsin, it is found in industrial juices. It converts proteases and peptones into amino acids. Renin, it is a coagulating enzyme present in the mucous membrane of the stomach of mammals. It hurdles the soluble casein of milk. Papain, it is a mixture of active proteolytic enzymes found in the unripe fruit of the papaya tree. The oxidizing enzymes, peroxides, are widely distributed in plants. They bring about the oxidation reactions that cause the discoloration of bruised fruits. Thrombin converts the fibrinogen of the circulating blood into the insoluble fibrin of the blood clots. Cymase, splitting of monosaccharides by oxidation. Under that, first we are going to discuss about papain. It is a substance which contains a mixture of proteolytic enzymes found in the unripe fruit of papaya tree. It is a dried and purified latex of the fruit of Carica papaya leaf, belongs to the family Caricaceae. Synonym we can call it is a papayotid or papain. It's a structure. This is a commercial product available in the market. Mainly geographical source, it is indigenous to tropical America and is cultivated in Sri Lanka, Tanzania, Hawaii and Florida throughout all parts of the world. It attains a height of about 5 or 6 meters. The fruit grows to a length of about 30 centimeters and a weight of 5 kg. The epicarp adheres to the orange-colored fleshy sarcocarp, which surrounds the central cavity. This activity contains a mass of nearly black seeds. Isolation of papain. The full-grown but unripened fruit is subject to shallow incision on the four sides. The latex flows freely for a few seconds but soon coagulates. After the collection, the coagulated lumps are shredded and dried by the sun or by the use of artificial heat. Incisions and collections are made at weekly intervals as long as the fruit exudes the latex. The crude papain is purified by dissolving in the water and precipitating with alcohol. Chemical constituents. Mainly, it is a vegetable peptide. It contains enzymes similar to those in pepsid. However, unlike pepsid, peptide acts in acid, neutral, or alkaline media. Peptide consists of several enzymes, one or more proteolytic enzymes, among which is peptidase 1 capable of converting proteins into dipeptides and polypeptides. This polypeptide chain of 212 amino acids with a molecular weight up to 23,400 Dalton. A renin-like coagulating enzyme that acts on the casein of milk. An amylolytic enzyme, a clatic enzyme similar to pectase. A enzyme that has feeble activity on fats. It is quite apparent that more than one proteolytic enzymes is present because a single sample of peptide yields variable results depending on the protein used. Although differing in strength in accordance with the method of manufacture, peptide can digest about 35 times its own of meat. Own weight of meat. Identification, it declares aqueous potassium permanganate solution. It causes curdling of milk, that is prototypic activity. Uses, it is used in the clarification of beverages and as a meat tenderizer. Used as digestion for proteins because it has an action much like that of pepsin. The best grade of peptide digests 300 times its own weight of engulfed meat. It employed to relieve the symptom of episotomy. It is employed in geese manufacture as a substitute of renin. It is also used for degumming of silk fabrics in textile industry and also leather industry for removing the hairs of skins and hides. It is used to tenderize the meats in the meat packing industry. Peptide used extensively for tenderizing beef. Bromelain. Bromelain is a protein. Bromelain is a protein digesting and a milk clotting enzyme. It is a cyanide bromelain. Source, it is obtained from the juice of the pineapple plant, Ananas cosmos lane family Bromelaceae. Although this enzyme can appear in the juice of the fruit, it can also occur in the stem of the plant. It differs from peptide because it is obtained from both the ripe and unripe fruits. This is the commercial product available in the market. This is the diagram of the pineapple. The preparation, the dark green unripe fruits gradually change to yellow and final to deep orange. It is isolated from pineapple juice precipitation with acetone and also with ammonium sulfide. Characteristics, it is incompletely soluble in water. It is obtained from the fruit is acidic in nature while that derived from the stem tissues is a basic protein. Chemical constituents, it is a glycoprotein, molecular weight of about 25,000 to 34,000. Other pineapple endopeptidases are adenine and homocene. It is available as a odorless to slightly Putrid puff-colored powder with a irritating taste. Also, it is soluble in water, insoluble in organic solvents like ether, chloroform, and alcohol. Uses It is used as adjunctive therapy to reduce the inflammation and edema and to accelerate tissue repair, especially following epi- episiotomy. Its effectiveness in such conditions is apparently owing to depolymerization and permeability modifications that it induces oral administration following oral administration. It is also applied in the production of protein hydrolytes, hydrolysates in tenderizing meats and also leather industry. It is used in the treatment of soft tissue inflammation and edema due to surgery and injury. Ceratopeptidase. It is a proteolytic enzyme. Cyanide, it is a ceratopeptidase. Source, it is a proteolytic enzyme isolated from non-pathogenic Enterobacteria Serratia E15. It is also produced by the larval form of the silk moth. Preparation. It is produced by fermentation technology by using non-pathogenic Enterobacteria species like Serratia E15. The larvae of silk moth produce this enzyme in their intestine to break down cocoon walls. It can thus be obtained from the silk moth larvae. Characteristics. It is a very much vulnerable to degradation in the acidic pH. When consumed in an unprotected tablet or capsule, it is destroyed by acid in the stomach. However, entry-coated tablets facilitates its absorption through intestine. 1 unit of the enzyme hydrolyzes casein to produce color equivalent to 1 micromole of tyrosine per minute at a pH 7.5 and 35 degrees centigrade. Chemical constituents. It is a proteolytic enzyme of protease type 26. The preparation contains 7.1 units per milligram solid. Uses. It is used as an anti-inflammatory enzyme in developed countries, also in India. It eliminates inflammatory edema and swelling, accelerates liquefaction of pus and sputum, and enhances the action of antibodies. It is also used as fast wound healing agent. It is proving to be superior alternative to the non-steroidal and anti-inflammatory drugs traditionally used to treat rheumatoid arthritis and also osteoarthritis. It is widely ranging applications in trauma, surgery, plastic surgery, respiratory medicine, obstetric and gynecology. Next, urogynes. The synonym urogynes. Source. It is a serine proteolytic enzyme, protease enzyme isolated from human urine and from human kidney cells by tissue culture or by recombinant DNA technology. Preparation. It is fibrolytic enzyme produced by recombinant DNA using genetically manipulated E. coli cells. It is produced firstly as pro-urokinase and then converted to active form by plasmid or kallikrein. It is used medicinally purified directly from human urine. It binds to a range of advanced adsorbents such as silica gel or kaolin, which can be used to initially concentrate and purify the product. It can be further purified by precipitation with sodium chloride or ethanol or by chromatography. Human urokinase needs sterile filtration, aseptic filling, and freeze drying. Characteristics: it is available occurs in two different forms, a single and double polypeptide chain forms. It has half-life of 10 to 16 minutes after intravenous administration. These enzymes act on an endogenous fibrolytic system. Chemical constituents. Urokinase enzymes are serine proteases that occur as a single low molecular weight and double high molecular weight polypeptide chain forms. They differ in molecular weight considerably. A single chain is produced by recombinant DNA technique and is known as SCOPA. It is used as treatment of pulmonary embolism, coronary artery thrombosis, and for restoring the potency of intravenous catheters. It is generally administered intravenously in a dose of 4,400 units per kg body weight per hour for 12 hours. Streptokinase. Synonym: streptokinase, plasmidokinase. Biological source: it is a purified bacterial protein produced from the strains of group C beta hemolytic S Streptokinase griseus. Preparation: it is a bacterial derived enzyme of serine protease group. The ancestral protease activity lies within the first 230 amino acid residues at the N-terminal part of the protein that evolves from serine protease due to the replacement of histamine at the 57th amino acid by glycine. The amino terminal residue polypeptide chain shows sequence homology to serine protease. Duplication and fusion of gene generates an ancestral streptokinase gene. Streptokinase is produced by fermentation using streptococcal culture and isolated from the culture filtrate. It is produced in the form of lyophilized fiber in sterile vials containing 2,50,000 to 7,50,000 international units. Characteristics: it is a bacterial protein with a half-life of 23 minutes. Isolated plasminogen activator complex has higher half-life of 6 hours. Chemical constituents: it is purified bacterial protein with about 484 amino acid residues. Uses: it is first available agent for dissolving the blood clots. It binds to plasminogen in 1:1 ratio and changes molecular conformation. Thus, the complex form becomes an active enzyme and promotes the activity of fibrolytic enzyme plasmid. Plasmid breaks fibrin clots. Adistreptase or the isolated plasminogen streptokinase activator complex can also be used in the similar way for degrading the blood clots. Streptokinase and adistreptase are both used in the treatment of pulmonary embolism, venous and arterial thrombosis, and coronary artery thrombosis. It is also sometimes administered along with caparin to counteract the paradoxical increase in local thrombin. Next, pepsid. Pepsid, it is a proteolytic enzyme obtained from the glandular layer of the fresh stomach of the hawk. Suscrofa variety domesticus gray. The generic name of sus is from the Greek, meaning hog. Scrofa is Latin and means breeding, and domesticus is Italian and means the household. Pepsid, it is prepared by digesting the mixed stomach linings with the hydrochloric acid. The solution is clarified, partially evaporated, dialyzed, concentrated, and either poured on glass plates to dry. The forming scales pepsid are carefully evaporated in a vacuum, forming spongy pepsid. It occurs as lustrous, transparent, or translucent scales, as granular or spongy masses, ranging in color from light yellow to light brown, or as fine white or cream colored amorphous powder. It is free from offensive odor and has slightly acid or saline taste. It digests not less than 3000 and not more than 3500 times its weight of coagulated egg albumin. A pepsid of higher digestive power may be reduced to the standard by admixture with pepsid of lower power or with lactose. It is administered to assist gastric digestion. It is a proteolytic enzyme and should preferably be given after meals and followed by the dose of hydrochloric acid. Usually, dose is 500 mg. It is often combined with pancreatin in product formulations. Pepsid has a long history of use in medicine, but actual beneficial contribution is poorly documented. Thank you.